I really got into this video, guys, so much that I forgot to hit record. So let's do a thumbnail. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. I know I'm barefaced. Haley and I just finished filming our podcast. So definitely make sure to check out our podcast, Unconditional Hot Mess, on Spotify. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. She did her makeup. Obviously, I did not. I just want a nice chillax kind of day. My pajamas are from Savage X Fenty from like 2 years ago, I think. A year ago, I don't know. But we are going to be unboxing, this came crazy fast, our Boxycharm by Ipsy and our Ipsy Glam Bag. They did send this over to me in PR, so I didn't make any pics or anything. This is, I believe, for March, so I'm excited to get into it. Martha was sweet enough to send over her latest candle collection, which I already have one of her candles burning, because you guys know I love Martha's candles from The Good Candle. Code HOTMESS saves you 15% off $15 or more. So, of course, I'll have her link down below. This actually has been sitting here for about a week, so I'm so sorry, Martha, for taking so long to unbox it, but I know it's going to be amazing. Before we jump into today's video, I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for continuing to help support the channel and just every single month showing up, commenting in the comment section, and just being the kind humans that you all are. I appreciate you guys. For those of you that are clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, this is a little different. The YouTube members is a monthly membership, and then the thanks button is just, you just do it whenever you feel like it and never feel like you have to. But I just want to say thank you to those of you that are clicking it, and thank you to those of you that continuously show up, share my videos over on Facebook. I greatly appreciate it. And if you do want to sign up for the Boxycharm by Ipsy or the Ipsy Glam Bag, I will have an affiliate link in my description box down below. I think with tax this comes to a little over $16, and with tax on the Boxycharm by Ipsy, where you do get to customize 3 out of the 5, this I think is $32, and this one you customize 1 out of the little deluxe size sample. Let's go ahead and start off with our Boxycharm by Ipsy. Now you get to make your choices the very first of the month. Now it came crazy early. It is actually only the 23rd of February, so I was super excited about that, getting this box so early. Jumping right in, here is what the box looks like. No foam, a little sad about that. This is my favorite ABH mascara. I am so freaking excited. Yes. Okay, you guys know I told you all when L'Oreal sent over their new mascara, it reminded me a lot of the ABH. And I don't know, the ABH one is just so freaking good. I compared them side by side. This is such an amazing mascara. This is the lengthening and volumizing mascara. She's expensive, she's bougie, and honest to God, if this ends up being one of my choices that I can pick for my paid for box, I'm gonna do it because I really love it. Next in here, this is by SL Miss Glam. It's a 3-piece brush set. Okay, you're gonna hear noises. My kitty cat has decided to use her cat scratcher. Oh, somebody asked me if my cat's been fixed. Yes, she has been fixed. These are really fun. I love the color of these. Like, how pretty. It's like a sherbet green. And then, of course, you've got the little gemstone in the center. So that is really nice. Next in here, we've got the Galactic Fruit Superfood Sugar Face Scrub. I love face scrubs. My absolute favorite one came from Tula. Okay, I think it has a nice little, maybe a clean set. What am I doing? I'm about to like, hey guys, smell it. You probably can't. It's really pretty and pinky purple. You see that? I don't really smell much. Yeah, there might be a soft little fruity scent there, which is nice. It did have like a good grit there, sugar face scrub, so just be gentle, because it was a big chunky sugar. So I will definitely be trying that out. You may see my kitty cat bounce around through here. She's currently playing. All right, next in here we've got the Defense Beauty by, I don't know, is this a liner? Oh, it's a felt tip liner. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to just pass that on to Haley. Now, when I'm unboxing this, like I told you guys, I didn't get to make pics or anything, which I'm totally okay with. I'm just showing you guys brands that potentially could be in your choice picks, or even in the store to shop, which They have the aloe magnesium spray that I picked up 2 or 3 bottles of last month. And then I haven't seen Wonder Beauty in a hot doggone minute. We got the Wonder Beauty Trailblazer eyeshadow palette. Now, I'll tell you right now, I really like Wonder Beauty's eyeshadow formula. I love, actually all of their makeup is really good, especially if you have mature skin. Ooh, I don't have this palette. This is pretty. Look at those greens. Oh yeah, we're gonna definitely create a look with this. And one thing I'll tell you guys, when it comes to Wonder Beauty shimmers, a lot of the times they're made with like hyaluronic acid. So if you have mature kind of textury lids, their shimmers are gorgeous on the lids because it like softens everything up. It doesn't look crazy textury. And I gotta touch this one. Oh my gosh, what is it with me and greens? Ooh, that's pretty. But do you guys see how nice and smooth? Look how nice and gorgeous. I'm so excited about that. I don't know why I smell it. Does any of their formula, their palettes, anything ever have a scent? No. But here I am, just sniffing away. Okay, so that is everything that came in the Boxycharm by Ipsy. And I think this was pretty good. I personally don't need the brushes. I always tell you guys the whole reason I have so many brushes is because Haley and I have gotten subscription boxes since probably 2015, if not before that. I mean, it's been a while. So yeah, I'm really excited about this mascara. You guys know. Love, love, love. Okay, so let's just go ahead real quick and jump into our glam bag for March. Ooh, I like this bag. Look at that for March, getting into spring. What is this? Oh, that's so cute. It's like a little beaded zipper. And then on this side, it's like a pleather, I guess. Not leather, but you know. Oh, she's filled up with goodies. Okay, first we've got the Shades by Shan Party. Honestly, I always feel like it's such a good deal when we get things like this, like the little quads or the highlighters or what have you in these little $16 bags. I'm like, that is such a freaking good deal. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a cute little quad. See, this is what I'm talking about. Such a flipping good deal, right? So because I'm gonna keep the Wonder Beauty Trailblazer palette, I'm gonna go ahead and gift this. The Shades by Shan, I feel like it's just, that's a good brand we see quite often. So let me set that aside. Next in here we've got the, oh, I already have this and I love this lotion. The Gloss Modern or something, I don't know. It was in my paid for. I picked out the big one last month. This is a clean, luxurious, radiant polish. Oh, I thought this was a lotion. Okay, well, I'm happy to try that. It's radiant polish for hand and body, the ultimate exfoliator for your hands and your body. Okay. So I thought this was just the hand lotion, which I just got the large one. I picked out in my paid for box last month. So, and I love that lotion. It smells really nice and clean. So I'm going to be definitely trying this out. Next in here, we've got the Dermafirm Soothing Repair Toning Serum. In just 2 weeks, you'll get remarkable results. It's going to help reduce blemish spots, blemishes and spots, and it'll help relieve redness, help tighten the pore area. So I'm you know, it's worth a shot. I was talking to you guys about the fact I was going to get laser treatment on these red spots. It's like broken capillaries and everything. And I keep going back and forth. One of y'all were like, no, don't do it. Like, I really had an adverse reaction, which I don't necessarily think I will, because I've had like laser on my neck before and it's been fine. But my biggest fear is the fact that I am going on a trip like literally 2 weeks after I have that done. And I'm like, do I want to chance that? Like, I'm sure they told me it would only take a week to heal. So I go back and forth on that. So give me y'all's feedback once again. And I'll be honest with you guys, I know I didn't get back to a lot of my comments last week and the week prior because of all the stuff that was going on between my family and test results. And so far, and I think in yesterday's video I updated you guys and said that we've gotten some round of results back, and so far things are looking really good. So that is amazing. We've had some couple other things, but all in all, I'm very, very thankful right now. So thank you guys for your prayers to my family and everything. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. It's just scary, and I know a lot of y'all are going through things too. So prayers back to you guys, like uno reverse, because there's a lot of stuff going on in this world, and I just feel like coming together as a community and praying for each other and uplifting each other is just something that we should always do for each other. So I don't want to just you guys to think I'm just doing it when things are stressful. Like, I think we should just like watch out for each other all the time. So all of that to say, thank you guys so much for everything. So this is what it looks like. I'm so sorry, I'm getting off course. Like, this video could have been done, and here I am just chalking it up. Anyways, I think I'm gonna chicken out and maybe try the laser later. All of that to tell you guys that. All right, next in here, I love these colors. I love spring pastel neons, brightness, love, love, love. I mean, hello, look at my outfit. So this is a Dazzle Me Get a Grip long-lasting makeup oil control. Oh, it's a makeup setting spray. If you had just read that, I thought it was something for my hair. Well, it's a nice size. I mean, that's great, little travel size. All right, last in here, we have got, oh, the OFRA Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Blissful. That's so cool. I did not know they had, ooh, ooh. Okay, hold on, you're coming out. Ah! The lip gloss, I'm like, hold on. Ooh, that's so cute. Okay, just pay attention right here. Wait. Well, as we know, I love that they are offering this in these smaller sizes. Just ignore the fact that like nothing else is on me, but like I like that. I like that OFRA is doing that. Last month in my paid for, I got like a small like travel size primer from OFRA Cosmetics. So I love that. Oh, and by the way, if you guys, well, I think this will go up before her launch. There is a new collab at OFRA Cosmetics that is coming out, and I'm so freaking excited. I got to meet Jessica when we went down to the Miami launch, and she has come out with a primer, and it's like a glowy primer. It's great for all skin types, as well as a lavender. She's been using it, actually you can use it all over your face, I believe, but a lavender setting powder, which I cannot wait to try out. I think she said it launches like the first week of March. Either way, use code HOTMESS so you can get yourself 20% off. But I am super excited about this collab because this is not a collab that I've seen before with a primer and a setting powder. Like, congrats to her. I cannot wait, like I said, to try it out. So that is everything in our Ipsy Glam Bag and our Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let's get into our candles from Martha, the Good Candle. I know a lot of you guys love her candles for good reason. I mean, they're soy, they're hand poured, they're non-toxic. I mean, they're just great, and everything is reusable. And ooh, we've got some of her boho. These are so flipping good for the car. These are her boho diffusers, and that's so cute. She's got like a QR code on how to use them and everything. These you never ever get rid of. Okay, something smells so delicious in here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so she actually included some of her oils too. This is what I smell. Ooh, this smells good. Look how bougie. This is berries and cream. Yeah, that's what I smell. That smells amazing. So these to me are the perfect gifts because these crazy affordable, they literally last forever. We have them in all of our cars. As soon as the scent happens to run out, you just put a few drops back on here and that's it. Like, it is such an amazing product in my opinion. Oh, I love this so much. This smells so good. Berries and cream literally smells like berries and cream. Lifesaver. The Lifesaver, the berries and cream Lifesaver, that smells as yummy as that tasted. This is delish. All right, so this is her spring collection. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, is this a room spray? She has just gotten so bougie. Look at that. Now that is so aesthetically gorgeously beautiful. This one, this I am pretty sure, yes, this is the one we have the oil for my 17, next week, 18-year-old's car. This smells so flipping good, guys. That smells so good. Shake well. Whoops, I didn't shake well, but it still smelled amazing. So that is awesome. The fragrances are also available in scent drops, and you can use these scent drops on all of the car diffusers as well. And I guess it looks like all of these scents that we're seeing in these adorable flipping candles are going to be available in room sprays as well. Oh, and here's one thing that she is also saying, you all, when it comes to the room sprays, she said they may appear cloudy due to being free of perfumers alcohol, and instead is made with a natural ingredients such as a kosher polysorbate, witch hazel, distilled water, and skin-safe, high-grade, phthalate-free fragrances. Shake well before each use, and be careful with leather and wood surfaces. Just don't be alarmed or anything. Mine is not cloudy, but just in case, you know. So I love that. I love that these are safe, and look how adorable. Oh my gosh, there's something in here. I'm so excited. I'm so obnoxious. Lemon sugar. My ADHD is strong to... I mean, Miss Ma'am, and you're beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. She also included, which I sprayed all over, the limited edition pink musk. Okay, sorry about that, guys. My kiddo called and thought something was wrong with the car, but nothing is in fact wrong with the car. It was a long story. So anyways, she also gave the limited edition pink musk. This smells amazing, and I've done spritz this as well. Let's go ahead and get into these cutesy boxes. So as always, her candles are always reusable. Like once you have burnt everything, then you can use this for whatever you want. This is lemon sugar. This smells amazing. Oh, she also has wax melts too, y'all. This smells like a lemon sugar cookie of heavenly amazingness. All right, let's go into the Love Spell candle. Now, this is a candle scent that I know she's had before, and it smells so amazing. Yeah, this smells good. Real nice and clean. Like, I just, look how pretty. These make the best gifts. Oh, there's cute little confettis in here. Okay, we've got berries and cream. Oh, that smells like that yummy freaking lifesaver. I want so bad. I love that smell. And then we have sparkling cranberry. The one I have going right now is sugar plum, and that smells really good. It kind of reminds me of a little bit of a cranberry scent. This is like a clean, it smells like a sparkling cranberry drink. This smells so good. It's soft. If you want, like, all of these are kind of on the softer side, but all of her candles have an amazing throw, so you are definitely going to smell them. So don't let the soft like scent fool you. All right, friends, so that is everything for today's Boxycharm by Ipsy and Ipsy Glam Bag and Good Candle unboxing. Thank you once again to Martha so much for sending over your wonderful, beautiful, delicious smelling candles. Love, love, love. And definitely make sure to check out her room sprays as well. I love the bottles. They're just so aesthetically pleasing. If you want to sign up, or if you want to pick anything up, make sure to use coupon code HOTMESS to save yourself 15%. And if you want to sign up for Ipsy Glam Bag or Boxycharm by Ipsy, there's going to be a link down below. Thank you to Ipsy for sending this over my way. I greatly appreciate it. All information will be in my description box below. Probably not my PJs though. I'm pretty sure those are sold out. Like I said, they're from like a year or two ago. Check me out on my other channels, HOTMESS MOMMA Vlogs for Curvy Girl Fashion hauls over there, HOTMESS in the House for little vlogs, and of course, Unconditional Hot Mess. Listen to our podcast. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye! I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and